evening, people. If you're locking right now on Facebook right now, if you're live with us, good evening. If you're on the website, good evening to you. Welcome to the UpnLiveShow. You know, it's a Christmas edition right now with us there. We are Brad. If you see my cup, red cup, that means it's Christmas. It's not Santa Claus give me this cup. This cup was given to us by, what you call it, Fire Q? You see a Santa Claus, a Christmas?
Give it to you by Fire Q because I me brought them.
No, I know you're time yet. He just...
You see me now, red and white cap and also red and white cup. So, me not understand what's up.
We have to give people, if you hear a voice there, you want that, everybody should know whose voice is that, right? Yeah. The voice of the man himself. He's joining us this evening. Good evening to you. Alright? And also we have the man who said,
Shalom Shunde.
yeah, Mr. Horny, Pastar.
Hi, Karamba.
I swear. Dragon, a bag of things are going this evening.
Why? I feel disappointed, okay? You know we get extra insurance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, we get extra. We have liability insurance. We check it out.
Steam.
True, because we know so one time if Raga did forward, a bag of things will go on with us. Yes. We prepare for it.
John was star.
So give thanks for the masses that for pass through. I also realize that Arnie Pastor still wear him condom.
Definitely, I never. Safe sex is a must, you know.
So lad, that one that's still good panning.
People always try to run the same joke with me, you know. Like I have this from 1997.
I said I use them.
No, this is regular in date. It so happen that good luck on my side. It is very, very usable right now.
Oh, so it's like a usable pendant.
I say a paper was not put to them. They use. I see them one all the time.
That not so good. But anyway, people, if you're wondering who is in the studio, you know Crawpa is a prominent vlogger, whichever way you want to put it at, is worldwide renowned, and Horny Pastar is / comedian, actor, a DJ. I give him the title radio presenter. I give him the title as a comedian as well because I find him very comedic. I hope you don't find it offensive.
I very much thank you. I want to get into stand-up comedy as well, but yes, I am on that.
Yeah, I'll give thanks to that. And they're joining us this evening in the Christmas spirit. So how is the festive season treating you, gentle people?
Boy, it a going alright. So let them know say we use streets and nothing new, it's just the next year, you understand? So we know to kill out ourselves, we just make sure say boy they have a family for them little something and you don't know say friend this everything good. But it makes sense to kill out yourself, yeah man. The greatest thing we just live this next year or either year, I don't know say Christmas is something I say
but we have one thing against Rawpa Crawpa. You're a vlogger, and normally you're living here with us in the UK.
Yeah.
So normally people in Jamaica look for people who's abroad, like present and meet the people, to send like videos back to Jamaica to their family. I haven't seen you posting any video with like nobody has sent back no greetings.
No, you joke. You know, say last year remember doing it, and you see this year early. Pastar so short me as a rapper. Remember, so if we go out on the road, go get the Christmas greetings them send out now. And believe me, sometime we afford me, I say, rah. Me name send out me, I say, no, say, tomorrow Christmas. And we don't do no Christmas greetings the year. Yeah. January start, the struggle is real. But sometimes, you know, one time you work, load up, I say you go more time. You see me, I say, I hold my thing on the fire.
We know it going in the street grinding, you know what I mean?
Yeah. But you can't do it now, you know. We can send out some greetings so for people's watching now.
So anybody watching,
some
so you send your greetings and then we can talk it out, and you know.
No, because here I go on now. I don't send my official greetings already. Because I send that to, you know, them bank there. We come and do them yearly. I not call down name here, them bank there. We come and do the yearly Christmas greetings. Yeah, man. You see me down a yard right now on TV. Almost every day. Sometimes twice a day. I send all my own self Christmas greetings. Cause every year when me send Christmas greetings, I mean make sure I send myself Christmas greetings because I'm supposed to be in Jamaica. Watch myself and send myself greetings, but you know what I not get for good on
this year. You know why I don't send no greetings this year? Because the guy who made the video he kind of pissed me off. He kind of offend me, you know. When say no foreign have to stay foreign and send him money come.
Oh, the barrel man.
Yeah, the barrel man.
I just saw him on my phone today.
Yeah, he kind of pissed me off, you know, because I say, what an ungrateful boy.
No, but I say, go see, like, we if we make our own demands, now, but they know, say, the same time when you die Jamaica, make sure you send up KFC, make sure you send up coconut,
yeah. Make
sure you send up this, make sure you send up that.
I like that.
You understand? Because I just see the plane come from foreign full, you know. Because I swear to God, every time I come up, I can't sleep in all 3 rows. Yeah. on my face all about.
Yeah. You can 2 banana.
Oh, me never see so lucky, because every time I
can't keep 2 crackers bag.
Go down and park come up. I feel like I'm my extra low now. I don't even hear myself.
You not hear yourself?
No, my voice is so nice. I like to hear my own voice.
You can't tell us you watch all your videos, them, you know.
You know, say, I know I can watch my video them, but so I just start.
Yeah.
I couldn't watch my video them, you know, because I there going to grease in them.
How many videos you think you have now?
Me have probably about 4,000 to 5,000. Me a whole part video, man.
Can you remember the first one that you did?
I can't think got the video where put me on road. No. I know the first video put me on road. But, yeah, but the first video I did, it was a Jamaican taxi driver. Me in a taxi, and him a one Jamaican where they about 50, 60 years and never go back.
Yeah.
You know one time they say Flintstone behind you?
Yeah.
Well, I want building him, lift up and throw behind him. Me don't know him strong, so.
Yeah.
But him attack the most disgusting way about Jamaica. I know say we have a little problem down there,
Yeah.
but so is everywhere. Yeah. But we also have good down there.
Yeah.
And this individual I make it look like say nothing good not that yard. I say, that can't right.
No, but
so we have a big debate, and so one time I come out of the taxi, we just get vexed. I'm just going to do one video and say, boy, if you're there foreign for more than 25 years and never go back, does not vice yourself as Jamaican.
No.
Cancel.
True.
Yeah, man, call yourself something else.
Does not.
No, but your
Does it.
your recent videos that you've been posting is not really shining in the good light on Jamaica, because I watched the video with the gentleman picking up the wall of a buckle out of the river.
Yeah.
No, but you said the recent videos.
Yeah.
So that just tell me, say you now watch all of the video them.
No, that's why I can tell you what you post every month, because I see everything coming from the timeline.
Hold on, Rick. You see?
Let's I post every month.
No.
I don't post video once a month.
No.
Alright, that's what I say.
I post videos.
Yes.
Some of the things them
On a
bad
daily
about
basis.
Jamaica, we ever post them because, you know, as the government them see any little thing go on while we get tricked by the Chinese and everybody else. So what they have? When them say, oh, the economic is so good, you see everybody up, bro, God, no stop post.
Yeah.
You see me? So we have to highlight the bad things and the things where them need to fix. You know what I mean? So we are bash the country, you know, because we're not bashing our country.
Makes sense.
We just highlight something for say, yo, we need to go up on the A game and fix something, because if man like Rawpa, other people don't do it, it's everybody gonna turn a blind eye to it, and nothing gonna get fixed. Cause our Jamaica, you know, we love Jamaica. You know?
Of course.
Cause all of us here, I feel like say if we become a billionaire tomorrow, we left. And so, Jamaica.
Yeah,
Come
man.
back.
There's
You
no
see it.
place like, you see them right now, me lick all my shoes together. There's no place like home. You see me, I say? Yeah.
Of
But
course.
I one thing I'll do, this is what be in a position. You see, the Prime Minister must go find proper things do. But bro, God, and this everything that people do, he can jump on it with this whole past slang and whole past style and pattern. Go fix up the country. But bro, God, you want to box.
That you
No, serious.
Jesus.
Bro, God, and Negro, go fix up.
Listen.
Listen to me. Sure.
They make a move the other day. What the lady name that win Miss World? Tonian, okay.
Tonian, yeah.
So they give her a diplomatic passport. No, and they should assess her work a bit more before you give her ambassador. Ambassador for what? You know the risk or what you can do with a diplomatic passport. I mean, say anywhere you're diplomatic in, you have immunity. Police can lock you up. If I was diplomatic to England, I could kill you and the police them couldn't touch me. I would untouchable. And I wouldn't have to hide and kill you.
Yeah.
And they don't understand because you can check in diplomatic bag and it can't be searched at airport. And I wonder if Andrew Holness them and them people now realize what they're doing. Then must a diplomatic passport that send a Trini.
I see something like that say passport that sell true.
Yeah, because like you have some some Russian oligarch and some people from Middle East who are billionaire. They might buy some passport for like 200,000 US and them money there. And that's it because them
are billionaire.
They are doing wrong. So when you have a diplomatic passport,
yeah,
basically you're untouchable.
Quite
because
so,
you can go places and you can't get arrested.
Remember the lady
you
from
can do
America
all that money trafficking you want or anything you want to.
Yeah, the one that
Of the accident, and she run gone with a diplomatic passport
and they can't get her back.
No, she didn't have to run away because from a show that because it's like it's like in the Geneva Treaty thing. So the diplomatic thing you cannot check them bag. If you're checking a diplomatic bag at the airport, it's not search, it's not go through no machine or nothing. You walk through with the thing them.
But there's
you cannot be touched. You don't get taxed. Certain things don't apply to you because you have a diplomatic immunity.
You're diplomatic, but it comes with high responsibility as well. So
Exactly. So
Right,
the
yes.
ambassador thing where them gear, they never say ambassador to what or for because you win Miss World. Listen me. It's a more than that to it.
maybe they just get excited and decide, all right, just do something fair.
That's why I think Andrew Horny is kind of too much on the socials and not focused on the real issue in the country. So
Well,
Exactly.
maybe that's a New Year's resolution. All right. So, Annie Pastar,
Yes, sir.
you said that you wanted to join into stand-up comedy. Have you started in that field? Have you tried it before? Because I think that the short bit of time that I've known you,
Yeah.
I've seen that side of you where it's very humorous. Are you looking to venture in such venture for the 2020?
Definitely, and you because you called me comedian like a while,
Yeah.
you remind me as well, so me kind of jokify, but me not really remember say me jokify, you know.
Yeah, you just
Me just do me thing and me just chat some sitting,
Yeah.
and some craziness just come to my head, and by the time I check myself, me say the craziness already, and then me find myself start laugh about the foolishness what me just say. But one thing me always do, me make sure say when me dey on radio or so, me not say the foolishness with no profanity in the foolishness. Me find say me have a skill. If it don't say profanity,
while in the
but
media space.
then if me out the road me a rapper now, I'll be a what's it, not sit and them words there. And you know,
Jump up.
yeah.
But in terms of the acting, you did the movie Rawpa
Rap
Against the World.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I found that you were one of the lead actors in it as well. You did very well.
Very bad culprit. I
Yeah, very, very, very well. So, when is the
No
next
good boy.
move?
You're
All right.
When is the next move?
All right. Me have my own production as well. What I do.
What's that called?
Ornithopia Films, and it's called the movie nowadays is called Training Wheel. We just at Jamaica, I shoot it still,
Yeah.
but it's like a 60 minutes or 57 minutes or something like that. It's a very short one.
That's
But I did one before that.
That's a
called-
lot of time on screen, you know.
Yeah,
you know
man,
that.
True,
Movie that, man.
true.
So when is that out? Is it
You
out
know,
now?
I never know yet, you know, because I try get all of the actors them together for giving them credit for them proper names, because when me in the village, we just get up little youth them and who have the talent, we just work with them.
Okay.
And some of them I never get them full name or stuff like that, so I try get them names so everybody can get them credit, because the last one I do, couple youth never get them name in the movie, and more time I just that you can get from
Yeah.
a low budget movie is credit to say I did that, you know what I mean?
And then you
So
can use it as reference.
that's right.
So the movie Rawpa Against the World, is it going to be a series or
I
is
know
it just
say,
the one
honestly,
thing?
I roll against me.
World against rapper.
Yeah, and I'm against roll.
Right.
I roll them nothing still, but
Here we know. Here we know. I feel like you should try to get a series and something. You have so much streaming platform, and it was not a high budget movie like like the movie them over Hollywood.
it
and
was
them
no,
stuff there.
it was a no budget
And
movie.
Me enjoy it because I get the concept.
Yeah.
I get the concept and it was funny. The acting was good and everything. So I think maybe like pitch it to certain people, because obviously in the street you're known on the social media. So maybe I should try reaching out to certain people and pitch a few ideas and see if we could get like a series done.
And maybe you can
Because
do it. Yeah.
look at Top Boys
That's true.
and
that's true.
look at some other thing in UK. Like it's just like having the right people behind you.
That's
Right.
true. That's true.
That's right.
Of course. That's definitely a move for 2020.
Yeah, man.
And so we're fastly approaching the end of the year. Crawpa, you've been seeing the scene of dancehall, you've seen everything that's happening. What's your take on the state of the music right now? Let me rephrase the question. Who do you think has been the most prolific
Dominant.
artist?
Dominant.
Dominant artist for 2019. Who would you say would be that artist that say, all right, stood out for the whole of 2019 for you?
Boy, we can't deny, but for mention, say, boy, the six them go on good the area.
Yeah.
You understand? So we have to give the six them name props. You understand? And from behind bars, the man a put in the
Hold on.
works.
If we're gonna select one artist, who would you select?
Vibe. Yeah, we mentioned, yeah.
French, you come in with the touch.
No, but what
Put
what
that
I
in
level
my
still.
stomach.
No. You see, because we almost said same time. I don't want because she said it, I go look like me said. But
Yeah.
Vibes Cartel, they're behind bars. And Vibes Cartel are dominate the airways more than all the
More than-
people with that road.
I would agree with you because, like, to be honest, none of the members of the Six by themselves don't have more hit than Vice Cartel this year.
No, but
I
even
know
if you
other
put them
artists
together,
in
if you put them
dancehall-
together, it's still not really.
No,
Yeah,
watch here.
no, I don't.
Yeah.
All right, why them say the Six? Because it started out earlier on in the year that Javelani was affiliated with the Six. Some of his bangers become affiliated with them.
Six,
so
yeah.
people still look at
But
it as one collab.
You see, on a level
Vybz
still.
Kartel been doing it since the
If
start.
we, but you see, if we go stream wise, and Sean Paul, you know. But it's only different when I hear about Sean Paul on the radio every day and when I hear about Sean Paul in the streets.
To be honest,
No,
we
but
have to give
shouldn't
Sean
even-
Paul his credit, but when it come on to like the hardcore dancehall, we don't put Sean Paul in that category. Put him in the higher ranks,
Higher rank,
like
yeah.
the international
Sean
category,
Paul
because
is-
he's international.
Man, Shaggy.
So
Put him in the
people,
higher ranks.
people don't misjudge us when we say dancehall and reggae. We know the music where people tend to say they are doing dancehall. We know it's dancehall, but it's international dancehall, so we don't get the genre them mix. The international one and the local one. We are talking local.
It's fair to say
Boy,
no
we
that
can't grow in real boss because as I said, the man that behind bars, the man that in prison. And the man that deal with the thing 10 times better and only for the man them on the road.
And
And
I
a
would-
joke thing that.
I would say the reason for that, why Vybz Kartel is so dominant, is because we're in a new era where social media is leading, and you don't have to be present to be controlling the place with social
Me
media.
understand. Yes, but remember
he's not
nowadays-
really controlling social media.
No,
He's just dropping hits after hits after hits.
But
that's what I'm saying.
Remember, you know, music and the artists work not only based on the tune and then drop, you know.
It's just
One
a-
time you're free now, you have the opportunity to promote yourself more
yeah.
than that man behind bar. And as we talk about social media, when 20 artists got every stage show and tear down some stage show, the man at the behind bars can't get no stage show.
Well,
you know.
can't
So
move.
it's
Hold on.
totally different. So one time we are talking about streaming and we are talking about social media, no matter how we look on it.
We can't even
I'm
compare.
I'm
Kartel.
gonna make a valid point now. If you talk about social media or social media get at the moment, Vybz Kartel was incarcerated 2011, yeah?
Yeah.
And that time social media wasn't that popular, wasn't that big.
Yeah.
And we already know he's a very controversial artist. If Vybz Kartel was out this day, his social media would be the most watched social media.
Yeah, man.
Right through.
Yeah.
Because Vybz Kartel always do something make people say, oh, what Kartel do, and people talk about a thing. So
Teachers.
if Vybz Kartel lock up, no, before from Vybz Kartel go bleach as a cake. So remember one time, you know, when I say Vybz Kartel about 2 weeks,
Yeah.
then next time we see him in white. And you know what so Kartel do, he must do something new, something. He's always changing.
He's
So,
a very controversial artist.
so if Vybz Kartel was out on the road now, the way everybody tune into social media,
Yeah.
I think he would be on a different pedestal from everybody else. Who could
Yep.
even compare him to
So
the rest of
it
the
go
dancehall
without
artists.
saying, you can't give nobody else the artist of the year then in that aspect of the dancehall part.
All right. Okay. So
And when you talk about artists of the decade, who would you give that overall in the local scene in dancehall in Jamaica? Of the decade, the last 10 years till now.
Pastor answer that. Yeah, the issue as well too.
think carefully, you know. Think
All
carefully.
right, artist of the decade. It come like say everything. I just if I give Vybz Kartel everything, then because I just one person I do certain thing where.
The man them with the road now.
Let me say who are going with something. Where I give my father right now.
Nothing.
Now
None
what
of
is
them
man?
man, them
Come on, man.
MVP.
Come on.
Yo, they not go- man, them down the road and they not go on with nothing.
The hottest point of Mavado career was when Imam Vybz Kartel was feuding.
That's true. That's true.
Yes,
Remember,
yes,
remember
so
we're
like-
talking about. Remember we're talking from 2010. You know, so we have to
You sound like a
From-
Gaza, you know.
from no. It's
Not really. From 2010
No,
till now,
we are
look
try-
about it.
we're try.
Okay.
I like the from 2010 to
Yeah.
to right now.
2019 to 20, yeah.
to present the right now.
Well,
And basically, the first song for 2010 was Kartel. New Year, that song there, what him do? That was the first song in the for 2020, for 2010.
Me know say even
Every New Year, that was the
No,
first song in
hold
the.
on. In a 2010,
Yeah.
him have Bike Back, him have a lot of
No,
hit
but that
song.
comes after. Yeah, whole per
Him
song.
have whole pa song, Kartel have a whole pa them, you know, Dumpa Chuck, whole pa them song they come
But-
in that year there.
Alkaline, you know, man, did that go on wicked, you know.
Yeah.
Alkaline that
Alkaline
tear up the
best
whole
year,
place, you know,
his
man.
best year was 2016.
Well, probably
When-
talk about it, 'cause I remember say,
when
every
him get
song
the
you
big
used to
year.
sing, it say 2016. And look, better when say 2020.
But
But you see that dabbing in the place.
But
come.
hold on
Yeah.
now, Alkaline getting first song in 2013 was the 1, 2, 3. And him come at England with that song, one song. And I remember the first time I met Alkaline, I met him in England.
Yeah.
And you know him come with What Not Nice and all of them. Then time they young and bleach out. And it was his first song, 1, 2, 3. And him come at England with that song there. You know him go look a place with that song there, because that song there was a big song. Then that year, him they have a other song where he named on the rhythm, but it wasn't so hot. Him they have a
Go
one
down
song.
and now
Yeah.
no, put the spice up on the rhythm.
No,
Wanna go
not that song. Him get
boom
that
box
song.
with him.
Him get that song the following year. him get the other one for the rhythm, man. It was like 3 good songs on it. I think it was a DJ Chrome rhythm or something like that. But anyway.
And I love Doctor.
Him follow up the other year when the other year started early, like early January, early February with the Kudangana wine and bubble up, you know. And the song went every girl that's on a table.
Yeah.
That song them come out with. And him follow it up with couple of that string of hits, but him never get like 4 or 5 big hits in that year. 2014, him was a bit hotter. People was anticipating because him started build an online follower. And like the vendors thing because he started some controversial interview where people know him as thief everything from Vice Cartel and he must say, I would have man there. I don't know that man there. I wouldn't him so. So that's why people was on him like that because he's a very clever guy. He know that controversy sell just like Vice Cartel. Because he studied Vice Cartel down to the bone, him know controversy sell. So he never give no credit. So he build him like hype over that. So he was calculating that like, yo, I sacrifice 2-3 years. By this time I'm hot. That's why I was singing like 2016 and him get that big year the 2016.
Maybe him hurt himself by saying that.
Because him find after all and you know.
Yeah man, couple big
and
show.
that was a massive hit for him, you know. And
in drop whole fight man.
Him drop whole fight.
Champion boy, listen me. You name it man.
But the biggest hit when him drop right now is After All because that's the only song him have where people can sing line for line in a dance. Cause you know all of that song, they don't.
Really.
No,
who some of them I know the rest of them?
I know a city man.
No, you see me?
Yeah, but who some of them selector can draw down here and make the whole crowd sing. That's the only song that Alkaline have.
Last year and year for last time them, me can't sing every song with Alkaline.
No, you can't sing it because you are a fan.
And them sang there.
No, you are a fan.
Like the city and you understand.
You can sing it, but I'm talking that everybody know. You was almost like an anthem, like happy song.
Alkaline have no fans,
yes.
Listen me.
Yes, like the
man.
I'm not talking about Alkaline fans.
Shoot your
I'm talking about Gaza fans, Gully fans. Everybody know After All. Dog, me just a weird pan a call. 4 rifle in up on the wall.
All right. So
yeah.
Formula man, everybody can sing Formula.
Formula body no, but
everybody
that song.
Everybody can sing Formula. Everybody can relate.
Champion
you
boy.
Understand? Champion boy again. Everybody can relate.
All right. So like you said that now, make we boil this down, right? For the decade, which song would you say would be the top 4 song for the decade?
Why you know say
I'm not talking artists, songs, which is more memorable for the year 2010 till now. You can say.
You can say one song. Remember the song where say, My dream,
Nesbeck.
Yes, I like that one.
All right. So we say, would you consider Nesbeck part of Dragon?
No.
Well, you can get one hit still.
Nesbeck get 1 hit and right now, we talk a song we can play from 2010 and it's still relevant in a dancehall to the day.
Which song is that?
Huh?
Which song are your song?
To be honest, you see, the song where Alkaline sing in the middle of the decade, the After All, what me say?
Yeah.
It's a relevant song till now in a dance. That's why I say that's a one and best song for the category. And remember, me is a Gaza fan. And I can say that song is a good song because that song can play right now in any venue or
Rawpa, what's your choice?
You know, so me still a made. But sometimes you mention After All. Anybody wants them start sing After All, them automatically go come back to My Dog Must Live.
No, because that song come out way after. Because remember, you know, the song start out.
Cartel make sure.
Me have couple dogs where are there for me. Better say love, say loyalty.
Cartel Bridget. So once you say After All, you automatically after say My Dog Must Live.
My Dog Must Live. That's a big song, but a Vice Cartel sing that song, but a Massacre. But After All is a bigger song.
All right, let's all right. So we're gonna choose those 2 songs. Yeah, we need 4 songs. What you think is the 4 song to the decade?
Mention me song.
So
still I meant.
The hard one that's generic.
Yeah man.
You know that hard. You just songs them where you think. No, it's your choice, you know. It doesn't mean that it is right. It's your opinion.
I can't remember the song.
All right.
My father do sing the entire car. But no, say my father some good song. Within the entire, but just can't remember them.
No, but the thing is that is what plays in your mind now. Is the first thing that comes to your mind that is more memorable. So we can go for Pastar. What you think is your 4 song? Give me your 4 songs. the decade.
Okay. Me have my 4 song. One of them will be one Mavado song we say. Me know them fear me. Me know.
That's a 2008. 2008.
Oh, what is man? Some gone farther than the perimeter.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, well, let me give you some popular song for the since 2010. All right, so Charlie Black's Party Animal, Popcorn Family, Future Fam, Bobini Man, Roman Red Bull, Spice Cool, Egyptian Hold You, Conscience Broke Off Your Back, Charlie Black's J. Capri, Wine and Catch, Spice, Something Like It, Vibes Cartel, Popcorn and Gaza Slim, Clarks. Just to try to give you a little
All right.
example.
Clarks still, Clarks is a different kind of song, you know. Yeah, man.
So name so we start to one. So Rawpa across say Clarks, Vibes
Yeah,
Cartel, one song.
Yeah. And the next one would go. Because you can't go around with this one because that song, you can play it in our party, you can play it in the white people in scene. So I have to say Charlie Black's Party Animal.
Yeah, that bad as well.
So you can for a party animal. So that's 2. So that's Clarks, Party Animal, number 2. We need 2 more songs to
Family.
Family.
Yeah.
Family. So that's 3. We need
one.
one.
Yeah, I'm telling you, one next song, one serious song to Popcorn and
J Island.
Wicked song that you know,
But
man.
I think that song only do really 1 year. That's why I want to really put that song in
No,
the
but
red
that's
because
his choice. It's his
Yeah.
choice. That's his choice, yeah?
I try to think about it, because you know World Boss is a bad artist, but I don't think him have. I can't think of a standout World Boss like that when I say.
Dancehall.
Yeah,
None of people would
Yeah,
have
dancehall and everything. Because that song was what early 2014.
Yeah.
Early 2014 and around 2014 and 2015 in terms of the dancers aspect and everywhere in terms
Man,
of
so have one on job 2017. You understand where most people would have mentioned the one there as well. But I can't remember the name of the song.
So we're gonna conclude that Rawpa Crawpa's choice is Clarks, Party Animal, Family,
And
and the J Island.
Yeah.
And the Pastar, anything you wanna state your 4 songs?
Oh Lord have mercy. You ain't got no 4 songs, man.
4 songs.
I can't think of no.
No, I
You
will
know
pass
what
on
with me
the
now?
job still.
The brain.
The music get too violent and I'm very sexy.
Well, I know.
So
and you know where I miss out a song even though this song come late but happy to us.
To us. You feel like it's too young?
Come later. I don't because it come later,
No,
but
not because it's too young,
young still.
but
yeah,
yo,
go on now.
it's up for the title because it's a
It's
lot
still
of song.
it's still not the decade.
Still in the decade.
Still not the decade.
Still in
Actually,
the
because
decade.
young still, but
It's a last year song. It's a last year song. It's still in the
No,
decade.
apart from it, the song being young still is a dangerous song, you know.
But if that is song they dropped 2014, it would be hot
now.
now.
I'll 50 years I know the song they are reading, you know.
but wait. We look a while when me say My Dream.
Listen,
What's
what's
the
your
matter
name?
with My Dream again?
Nothing wrong with my dream.
It gets 1 year run and then otherwise after year done.
But
nobody
that the
really
song
play.
they know if you play it 5-year time or 50-year
Yeah,
time.
very relevant, man. No.
Alright, you see this
My
this is
dream.
why hold on. Listen. Sheldon, if you wanna get in the conversation, it's a microphone. Come in the conversation. You can't see one side stream. So let's
hold on. Me not cut you, but here we go with certain song.
Yeah.
A man can poor today, or a man can down today, and tomorrow in dream come true. Cause all of we have dreams and all of we have vision, places where we want to be, things we want to do.
Yeah.
Dreams says it wants to come true, no matter what. The song there, once the song there play, once you hear the song there, you start going with that bag of things because it just brighten up your face and it make you feel different. Cause you say, John, no sir, I never know say boy
And
like
you
the dream
say,
could have
look
come
at
true.
me now. Oh my word.
Yeah. Makes sense. So alright, so
Live song them song they are live song, then can't dead.
we'll find them song there. That is the songs that your choices for 2019. Because you know what? I'm trying to get as much out of you, gentlemen. Because I'm not still afternoon.
True.
So I try to get as much. So,
You living in the UK, yeah?
of course. Alright, the next topic now we want to talk about quickly is the Footer Hype situation. We recently realized that we heard speculations that Footer Hype has been locked up overseas into an American detention center.
Yeah, man.
And we heard news that his charge has been dropped. However, he's still incarcerated.
Yeah, man, they still hold on for them, man. No Christmas or road.
No, Christmas
What's your take on the whole situation? Or what do you think about what have you heard anything? Or you have any news about it?
Boy, you know, so the last thing I say, boy, him got court, and when him got court, them still hold on for him, I understand. So, we don't really know what going on. We know everybody come and I say this and I say that, but no one really know the full 100. Everybody on glass speculate.
The last thing me hear, I said them a check out the social media for the post them to see if you make any offensive posts or any terroristic.
What did you hear that from credible source, or did
Well,
you just
me
hear
hear that
that?
from some news report on YouTube. Still, it was a
Somebody a blogger said?
No, it wasn't a blogger. It was like a news. Like you could see that it was a news station.
Okay.
I couldn't remember exactly the name of the station, but that what they were saying it was doing, and people are report from out in the street and
Yeah.
to and fro. So
And also, apparently, that's how ice them work as well too. Once them get them clap on you,
Yeah.
them a go check out your whole background. Them a go dig up your social media and
Yep.
everything.
This is why
Well, what I heard about that story is like it was some unresolved issue with him and him fiance or him wife or
Yeah,
whatever, where him paper never get to finalize and him a live and think say everything good, but you don't know when ICE hold you before them deport you, you're gonna be in detention center for a while because you know how the deportation go. It's like it's the next available flight where them can group a bag of people and send them. You're locked up for a while, basically.
But you see,
So that's what I hear. I don't know what it be.
that means a whole lot of different thing I say. Some people say that and some people say different things. You understand? But me to myself, I know if you say foot hype or dog or foot hype or idiot, for no say boy, you don't have the legit documents them for make certain move and you run up and down out of the place like
him and him baby mother good or what? Cause you don't know, you know.
It's nothing baby mother and wife.
Him and him wife good.
Well, as me I say, them I say boy, him and his wife not too good.
You see, sometimes when you're not good with the wife, you know, and she you're married to, and these things. I'm not saying that is the situation, but it could stem from anywhere. And
Of course.
But
Makes
we have
sense.
to also remember the foot hype or entertainer, you know. So foot hype must can get him an entertainer visa, you know. And him work per
well,
permit
yes,
and certain things.
most
So
of
you
these guys
understand?
married and get them papers work, so more time you have to take it the way where you know, maybe not have, we don't know.
But the last time I checked, Flo Type was living in Florida. Like
Well,
full
we
time.
see him in a barber shop full time.
Yeah,
still,
he
so
was just a visitor to Jamaica. You know, every now and then. So, yo,
when him at work.
yeah. You know, I think go, but anyway, we are goes out to Foot Hype and him family, you know.
And
We
we wish him
hope
all the
everything
best of that.
work
Man,
out
wish
for
him all
him
the
and
best,
thing.
man.
Because, you know, some people say, yo, him chat too much, but you know, somebody have to do it, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Somebody have to do it. You
And
don't
that's
know,
foot of
like,
that.
I respect Foot Hype from a young youth I grew up from the work when put in the dancehall industry as a selector. So, we have to give him credit for that. You see me? A lot of people are bashing him with when the Aisha thing go on and joke back. Joe them and
Joe
Bogdanovich, yeah. Joe Bogdanovich and Scatter, you know all of them.
You
That
see.
little story there, everybody was saying about that things. But you don't know.
Big up the scatter.
He's going to who for them one. We don't know what going on when a money man running for a girl. Sometimes it kind of hard for a girl resist. You see me? And
A girl
you
without
don't know.
morals more time, man.
And Foota Hype.
Girl
he-
without morals, man.
Foot
Where's
hype-
the pastor?
No.
You seem like
money,
a-
money is a very powerful thing.
Yeah.
Girl without morals. If you bet money catch you, you will do anything.
Yeah, that is
because of
if
money.
we can't get you because you is you.
Well,
No,
listen me. Sometimes if you go to alright, you picture yourself have some breed of money.
Yeah.
When you talk some girl, you say, oh, if any girl you want, you have to get to know, because you have a
no, man, now we are talking about no matter how much money you have, man. I guarantee say you have some girl out there. No matter how
you
much
can't
money you
get-
have.
you're gonna have some
that
girl that can't
Crawpa.
get, but you in yourself, you're gonna think that mindset because you're like, yo, me powerful. Me and touch
No, me know.
That's what you think, you know?
That's what you think.
Which is right.
So you pre, but I know say you go have even one female out there where I say, yo, no matter how much
But
money you
if
have.
you can't get one, that's not nothing. Cause there's a million and you can't get
There's
to
a million
one.
already.
There's like
What?
one there.
No,
That's-
me not say
that's
nothing about
right.
me. I'm glad stress about you have female out there where respect themselves more than money, where no man can use money
I
and
get
catch
to what
them.
But,
You understand?
Alright, so-
you have to look at the environment where she was in, I should say. Like she was a part of their establishment, seeing?
That's
And
why if you know
she's
herself,
running
that
it
it come
every
like
day.
It's a family.
She's running it every day. So if a man, you know, give 1 and 2 talk every day, she a chip at the brick every day, and he also must drop down one day, you know, dog.
One day.
That go on.
You also must drop down.
But
No
anyway,
matter how you're strong, man, you know, I have certain life, you say, boy, I mean, know them life are from a bad, you know. Your money life sweet.
Tempo.
You know, and Joe back for you know, with him nice accent and the American money.
And can't turn up
You know,
straight.
can't turn up straight. And, you know, scatter in the back.
Why
And,
the struggle is real.
you know, scatter and say, Joe, I feel me time.
And
Anyway,
no, I really
time-
speak of it, truth, you know.
Time is up, man, so we can't get too carried away. gentlemen.
Joe,
last
start.
issue I want to talk about the last most recent event that went in Jamaica, Popcorn Show. What name again?
Unruly
Yes.
Fest.
What's your take on the show? How First of all, I shouldn't ask you what the take on the show.
We are like a review. What you think about it?
The whole popcorn movement. How do you see it? What's your take on
It's
it?
a popcorn as a youth. We have to give popcorn in props as a youth now, because popcorn out there putting the work in and man do it. You see me I say, and if you notice even from the whole Gaza camp, a popcorn are one of the only one we ever
Keep
out
it
there.
moving, yeah.
And you understand and I don't think so. We have to give him props because I see him come over here and put on him show where a lot of people probably don't even know say the show when put on over here we sell out with how much.
Yeah,
Enough
man,
people
we do a
don't know
popcorn
say I
show.
fit him show. You understand? Because one time the promoter them link him.
Him and
And
E5
man say,
show,
yo,
man.
more want certain amount. Then say no. And the man put on him own show over here and sell out over 15, 10,000. You understand? So popcorn are putting in works. No matter what, we have to give popcorn in props.
So
You
would
see me?
you consider popcorn as one of the arts of the decade as well?
Yeah, man. Definitely, man. As a young youth, yeah, man.
Popcorn a drop off since him upon.
No.
In a drop off.
I would disagree
You
with
don't
that. I think I would disagree with that. I
Even
think,
one show them have it.
yo, I'm gonna disagree with that. You see, 2013, 2011, 2014.
No, you see them time they...
He was slow.
Building.
Coming
No,
in
but
2015,
no,
he was a
remember-
bit slow.
no.
He was,
You
yeah.
see, them
Building.
time they remember, you know. You see, once...
He was relevant, but he was not a
No,
top
but
artist
remember,
of the year.
remember.
So,
You see, once
He never
the
drop off
cartel out of the picture, you have to fight for build a career. No? 'Cause I'm telling you now, cartel build Gaza, you know. You sometimes cartel now work with the artists, them, they not had no career.
so
So in order, so popcorn, it going to take popcorn a little while for him.
Yeah.
Build up
Strong up
himself,
on
yeah.
him foot
Like,
and
like Black Rhino, remember
But
remember
hold
Black
on
Rhino's fall off?
All together.
fall
Yeah.
and drop in, drop off, although
Chip up.
Black Red and popcorn, they
hold
also
on them.
push him off.
Them get beat. Hold on them. Black Rhino them get beaten and Javinci they are left. So it was a bad. That basically was an expulsion of the Gaza camp. Almost an expulsion scene. But Popcorn was up in the Gaza until Carter get incarcerated.
But you
But
don't realize
at the
once
last bit,
cartel is not there around them, they're not on a career.
hold on no. But Popcorn was building this one branch from Carter was on the road.
So you're
Popcorn
saying
was
fall
in
off,
unruly.
but he never fall off.
No,
Never
in the
fall
in
off.
the
He
fall
can't
off,
build
him go a
himself.
bit slow.
Then
Cause
Cause
remember,
you see me now,
that's building.
after
them
him
time
get clocked and because she have her man, but
But
you
that
know
was
them
with
song there.
World Boss. So when he go
Alright.
on his own now, it's a
No,
different
the song
popcorn.
when get only man she like after him get that one. Popcorn never find back no song in a them caliber until like 2015, 2016. He went a bit slow. So if you're gonna hold on, you see Donia, it's a good artist. Donia been relevant over the years and through it. But I wanna categorize him artist of a decade because
Him
he
lazy.
don't
Lazy.
he don't have
Are in comfortable
No.
when they.
me don't know about a man work with, so me not gonna say that. But me just say like when I talk about artists, we like you know some artists will find some song, you say yo, that's a find some song for the year and them song are run the year.
Let me tell you
Moon
something.
find Popcorn as one Popcorn run both or have some good song, about 3 or 4 year. Me say
Stay
them
relevant.
them song they are top
Yeah,
contender
but
for the
that
year.
is still in the decade.
Yes.
That's still in the decade, but we are talking of artists that have 6+ songs will run the year.
We can't find 6 songs with popcorn.
What we run 6 different year?
Not 6 songs in every year, but at least 3 songs you can say popcorn.
What we're in a year? We take
What
over
are
a year.
you? What
Yeah,
are you
of
defending,
course.
Brother Dragon?
I'm-
What
I'm-
are you?
I'm not-
What is your beef?
Of
Me
course.
nah beef
Why are you
nothing.
spitting so much fire? Why are you
Me nah-
spitting so
me nah
much
beef
fire?
nothing. We
There
just
is
a
a-
try.
there is a
We just a
snake
try
somewhere
talk
here.
the truth or if you talk because me nah beef nothing. You see
Yeah,
an
we-
idea? Me think Popcorn, he done very well. Some might hear them. Him never really find the formula.
I say come more time still.
But him
Yeah, but
keep
him
himself
grow.
relevant.
But he keeps
Cause
growing.
remember, I know it have come like a cricketer. I know how while you have to go and lick P6 or 4. Sometimes I just want
So
to
he
hold a
just want
wicket.
like one hold the
Yeah,
wicket
just
and
hold a
one
wicket.
No,
one
really.
1 and 3 runs there so and
Yes,
keep
that's
up
keep
the
it
innings, you know.
moving, yes.
I remember, I know.
Even I don't yeah.
Alright, you remember as well too, you know. You see even Popcorn, I will produce and then I go just quick for work them after Cartel take with themselves now. Because Cartel throw gas and fire upon every bridge.
Yeah.
You understand? So that's the main reason why none of the Gaza artists them cannot function without him because Cartel is a very
Because
wise
him-
man now.
yeah.
And them burn every bridge. So sometimes him left,
Yeah.
you don't help him burn all of them bridge. You know?
So you
next
have-
week you go come and say, boy, I know say, I want to cross from the bridge. And I want to dog, no, you like the bridge.
Yeah.
You go dead over there.
Of
You
course.
mentioned like Popcorn, Black Rhino and Javinci. As much as you don't really see him in the forefront, he might put in some work.
Yeah, I know some put
You
in
might
work,
put in
but
some work. Javinci
see-
a try if he...
So how no
What
bad
man
no
not
call
put in the
Massacre
works?
name yet and them something there. What go on?
Let me call him.
Yeah.
I'm a master earlier.
2 years, two
Oh,
years
alright,
back.
alright.
But you know really.
So-
yes,
Alright,
yes,
alright,
yes,
wait.
yes,
Before
yes.
we done the debate quickly here,
Pastar,
we're gonna give my Idonia a little rating. Because I'm tell you something about
No,
Idonia.
Idonia,
Wait,
you forget
wait,
ratings,
wait.
brother.
Where everybody say wrong about Idonia, say Idonia lazy. Idonia bust the right way. The way Idonia bust, him just bust so. Him
On the level
hardly
there.
divert, him
Yeah.
just keep a relevancy throughout a lot of year. Everybody say him lazy. But him not rush this thing because
But hold on.
him have longevity in this.
Hold on.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not about longevity.
Go
The
look
talent.
great kingship
Oh,
and
hold on.
something there.
This
The
is a
talent.
job. This
No.
is a job.
It's a job.
This is a job.
Hold
So
on,
you
no?
keep your job.
Hold on. You know footballer is a job, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't have a striker play defense.
No, can't have a man striker sitting on bench.
No, you
Every
can't
man
do that.
is-
If him can play all different field.
No, you
Just
can't do
like
that.
how
I don't know. To me, lyrically, he's like the next thing as Five Cartel. And the talent we him have, he should not been sitting out and producing less song.
That-
If any DJ check them laptop,
Yeah.
you have less Idona than Popcorn, Vibes Cartel. Only probably this year and
Too
last
much
year,
is
you probably
no
get
good.
less
Too much
less
ain't no
alcohol.
good. Check
No,
me, check me.
what you
Too
talking
much
about?
ain't no
about?
good. Too much ain't no good.
Yeah.
Keep it
Why-
on a level. Give
why
them
you
some.
didn't
Don't give them
act
everything.
like it so much
Because
props being bad now?
So he might get so Cartel have too much.
Cartel
No, but we are talking about lyrical
I'm not
content.
gonna say Cartel have too much, but I'm saying nice amount of songs,
Steady the pace.
steady the pace.
All
But
right.
I
I don't do nice amount of song a
You
year.
don't have that.
So what you want though? Follow the other rest of man, the man.
No.
If
No,
I'm
no.
do 19
The
song, man,
influence-
do 3
All right.
song, brother.
Hold on.
3
On the
songs.
I
Pastor.
make sure so they hit.
On the Pastor, hold on.
Why not? Tour.
You
Let me
see the
some-
man that do things, bro.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, yes.
Do TJ do a lot of song?
I don't really follow TJ because I'm kind of new, so them
No,
have to-
him kind of new. Do you think
No,
TJ
yeah,
as an
but I
artist?
wouldn't-
No. Do TJ do more song than I do here?
Then that's TJ
And
because
hold on,
he's
no.
hungry, but I don't have belly
Squash,
full and comfortable cruising.
Squash do more song
They're
than
hungry guys. They're
Shensia
brand new
do more
hungry.
song than I
Brand
do
new
here.
hungry. Everybody
Ding
hungry.
Dong do more song than I do
Brand
here.
new hungry.
Mascot do more song than I do here.
But I don't.
The talent
Alright,
I
check
don't
out-
have-
If you want to go way back, you remember how Baby Sham used to do this song?
Me
them?
as a
Yeah.
fan,
Don't
I can
kill
see-
the audience.
Yes.
Just do
Well, I
your
know.
thing, bro.
Gentlemen.
Look at Baby Sham.
Gentlemen,
look
listen, man.
at Baby Sham. You
Listen.
see Baby Sham
It
career?
did his
Listen.
thing. It did his thing.
He's an alright career,
All
but
right,
he's not great.
so listen, we're going to agree if we disagree. And we have to just wait this because we can see Jagan half of all the bars,
I hold night.
shoot off her man, them a duck and a dive. Yeah, it's the UpnLiveShow, people. I will live here, Rawpa, Crawpa, and the Pastar is live in the studio. I know I will
Glad
give
to be
thanks for the support and you guys coming to share your views for the Christmas season. I hope we'll eat a turkey and we'll eat swim around because I don't really want to fish.
With the turkey thing, may go
Yeah, of course. Any last words before we go? Rawpa, Crawpa, what's next for you? What's the next vlog coming up? I know you have a whole heap of thing in the fridge now.
I know say people have just wait and see. Just stay tuned into the channel and you will see.
Yeah.
You understand? Make sure you go subscribe to the YouTube channel Rawpa Crawpa. You understand? And just go and wait this and chill until I deliver.
Simple, right? On the Pastar, your show on radio is when?
12 till 3 on a Saturday, 12 till 3 afternoon time on a Wednesday, and 7 till 9 on a Tuesday. And I just want to say, I just buy my girlfriend, babe mother, a brand new Mercedes Benz.
Yeah,
And I just want to big her up.
yeah.
Big up the sexy intern because she always been loyal to me so far to women know me. I don't know if she give me bun still, but
Is it just for the Christmas though?
no, it's like a
You get the
It's
Easter, man.
just a gift. Just
it's
to
a gift
say.
for her to say.
Oh, no,
loyal.
so
loyalty.
Let me tell you something. You see, my church where
Me so
my
put it
church,
out.
my
Yeah.
church nearly rich like me. I get offering, PayPal offering.
Yeah.
I come in a lot, and I just want to encourage the people
Man,
to
say
give me more offering.
PayPal offering, you know. PayPal. Listen.
it coming.
It's a modern time now.
Yeah.
PayPal offering. It's no drop no jingles in the bag again. Where that I go?
Yes, of course, definitely, people. Thank you very much for joining us this evening. And, the show is sponsored by, who's sponsored by, no, wrong person to talk for. Let's
No,
do
it's
that again.
sponsored by Shush Print, Vaz Print, and
Yeah.
it's produced by Rollmark Entertainment. So people, stick and stay, subscribe to the UpnLive YouTube channel. If you don't know, 2020 is going to be a year with a bang. So just look out for some new things, some new something.